Shwmai, a chroeso I Welsh with Woe. I'm Woe Addams, and in this week's episode I'm going to teach you all about colours.
Gwers 5 liwiau.
I'm really sorry everyone, I was waiting for Griff to arrive before I started teaching you the colours, but he's not here.
Yes, I am.
Griff, where are you?
I'm right here.
Griff, what are you wearing?
Well, that's my fashionable new outfit.
Yeah, but you can't wear this.
Why not?
Because it's the same colour as this.
What? How long's this been this way?
Shocker, it was a studio the whole time.
Oh, I'm very embarrassed. To tell you the truth, Miss Addams, I don't really know my colours.
Well, that's fine. I was just about to teach everybody the colours. This is Gwyrdd.
Gwyrdd.
And, of course, if you wanted to learn more colours, what better way to do it than with the iconic LGBT flag?
You did it again!
So, at the top, we have my favourite colour, D.
D.
D-E. D. Underneath that is brown.
Brown.
Spelt the same way as it is in English, pronounced very differently. Then we have coch.
Coch.
Coch. Coch. Oren.
Oren.
Melon.
Melon.
So like melon, but melon.
Melon.
Yeah. Your favourite colour, gwyrdd.
Gwyrdd.
Glass, like your eyes.
You go. What? My eyes aren't.
No, I'm not saying that you've got a glass eye, just saying that your eyes are glass.
Oh, we nearly peeked behind the curtain on that one. Glass.
And then we finish with porfor.
Porfor.
There you have it.
Oh, wow. And what a pretty flag.
It is. And we've got lots of pretty flags that we can choose from, like this one.
How are you doing this?
In this flag, we have Gwyn,
Gwyn.
pink,
Pink.
with a C, not a K, and glas golau.
Glass golai.
So golau means light, and tywyll is dark. Glas golau, glas tywyll. Now, if we wanted to use that in a sentence, for example, the sky is blue, mae'n awyr yn glas.
Ah! Miss Addams, we're too high.
Okay, where do you want to go?
Somewhere safe.
Okay. Mae'n porfa yn gwyrdd. Mae'r dafad yn gwyn.
Oh, that's my cousin. Shwmai, Barry.
What did you just say?
Oh, I can't repeat what he said on a kids show.
That's fine, I'll just tune into his YouTube channel, Bleating with Barry. So, where do you want to go?
Well, all this talk of colours has got me thinking. Disco!
Disco. It's a bit loud in here, so Griff and I are gonna have a boogie and we'll see you next week. Bye everyone!
You gotta hold it. You gotta hold it. Let him know you mean it. If you're enjoying Welsh with Woe, make sure to like and subscribe. Look, down there. That's where it all is.